Today we learn about the experiment. Oxygen is support to combustion of fire. How to prove that? You know that air is a mixture. Air is a mixture. Why air is called mixture? Many gases are present in the air and they do not lose their property. So that's why air is called a mixture. So oxygen also present in the air. So how to oxygen is support to combustion of fire. Let us see by this experiment we prove that. And first of all we take candles. For this experiment we need candles and glass tumbler and mass box. Okay, first keep the candles. Take the candles and keep on the bench. Okay, keep on the bench. Take two candles. Take two candles. Keep on the bench. Okay. And lighted that two candles. What we do first? Take two candles and keep on the table. Okay, keep on the table. So and the two candles, the two lighted candles are lighting continuously. No, giving the light continuously without disturbance there. But let us see what we do experiment today. Oxygen is support to the combustion of fire. Okay, let us see. Take one glass tumbler. Take one glass tumbler. Okay, and keep on the one lighted candle. Keep on the one lighted candle. Students, observe that. What happened? What happened? The second candle is put out after some time or burn up after some time. Why? This candle you observed, first candle you observed. How is this candle? This candle, first candle is continuously burning. Continuously burning. But the second candle, we take one glass tumbler and keep on the second lighted candle. After some time, when we observe, the first candle is continuously burned and second candle is put off. Why? Because first candle burned continuously because plenty of oxygen is available for this candle 1. Candle 1. When second candle, what happened? When we take a glass tumbler, we take a glass tumbler and keep on the or put on the lighted candle. After some time, the candle is put off. Why? Because first, sometimes only burn this candle. That means some gas, some oxygen is present only inside the glass tumbler. After completing or completing burn that oxygen, what happened? There is no availability of oxygen in the second candle. So that's why carbon dioxide is present in that second test tube, second glass tumbler. Is it? That's why oxygen is not available for the second candle. why the candle immediately put off. Immediately put off. By this experiment, we know that what is that? Oxygen is need for, or oxygen is essential for combustion of fuels. Combustion of fuels, and then oxygen is a support to the combustion. Support to the combustion. Understood? So by this experiment, we know oxygen is essential, or oxygen is support to the combustion. That's all. Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
First, what we take?
Two candles.
Two candles we take and keep on the
Bench.
Keep on the bench or table. And then we take one glass tumbler and one matchstick, and with the help of matchstick we burn these two candles. And so one candle leave freely, and the second candle covered with glass tumbler. Second candle covered with glass tumbler. And after some time, when we observed, second candle is put out, because there is no availability of oxygen inside the glass tumbler. So that's why the candle is immediately put out. By this experiment, we know that oxygen is support to the combustion. Understood? So where to present this oxygen? Where to present this oxygen? In the atmosphere or in the air. Understood? Okay.